This is a $300 mini bike that I made from a hoverboard. It goes really fast and does super sick wheelies. First, we need to see all the components that we need to make this. A really cheap Amazon throttle, a cheap 1000 watt Amazon controller, two 24 volt Viver batteries, a cheap wheelbarrow tire from the hardware store, and this is what it creates. And we are out. This bike has been super fun to ride, and for $300, like, I don't know if you can get any better than this. This thing like rips. But this thing, it pops up. It's like really snappy. I think it goes like 35 kilometers an hour, but it feels like you're going so much faster. And the range is decent too. So like, for the cost, how they can get any better. It is the next day, and we're going to go out for a ride on the new mini bike. Oh, this bike is so snappy. Full speed on them, like teeny dragster. That's like the joke now, is that's the teeny dragster. It looks like a dragster. So I modeled like the styling after a dragster. Some people think it looks like it. This bike is just so snappy though, like infinite snap. The top speed is not great though. This bike, it's like fine on a straight road, but as soon as there's any bump, it's so uncomfortable, especially if it's peg position. So I'd not recommend making this if you're looking to hit big jumps and stuff. It's not a jumpy bike. We are going full throttle, and it is not particularly fast. Like, this is way faster than any hoverboard would go, but mini bike, yeah, I don't know, kind of slacking.